How do you handle if your girlfriend's friends are all alcoholics and ikaw hindi? Ako kasi personally na-drain ako if always labas kasi introvert ako. Pero siya, extrovert siya. Anong bad boy advice dito? Thanks and God bless, brother. So let me get this straight. You're more concerned about your social battery rather than who your girlfriend hangs out with? Well, kung hindi ka nababother na alcoholic yung friends na GF mo, well, I guess that's fine. I mean, in the first place, tinanggap mo siya for who she really is, right? So, ang concern mo is the constant night outs kasi nga introvert ka. Well, if this is the case, then just go and talk to her. Sabihin mo na introvert ka and you cannot keep up with her as far as socializing goes. Kasi totoo naman talaga na yung mga introvert sobrang low ng social battery nila. And after they go out socializing, kailangan nila na mas mahabang time to recharge and go out socializing again compared to a non-introverted person. Explain mo lang sa kanya yon. And since kayo na, I guess, alam na niya yung ganyang side mo. So she should understand na hindi mo kayang sumama sa ibang nights na kainuman niya yung friends niya. Don't push yourself too hard na may pag-socialize kung alam mong introverted ka. Kasi that could be mentally draining sa totoo lang. Ngayon, kung pag-aawayan nyo ang hindi mo pagsama every time, then you have to assess your situation na if she's the right girl for you. Kasi hindi masayang relationship yan sa totoo lang. Yung pipilitin ka na sumama sa kanya despite the fact na alam niya na introverted ka. Yung stress ka na, shit, meron palang inuman bukas, may pag-socialize na naman ako. Instead na maging masaya yung relationship mo, nagiging cause pa siya ng stress. Relationships are not supposed to be like that, sigarilyo. Pero I doubt naman na magiging issue sa kanya yan yung hindi mo pagsama every time na may pag-inuman siya sa friends niya. Sabihin mo, pwede ka naman sumama pero not every time. Kasi nga sabihin mo sa kanya na introvert ka hindi mo kaya may pagsabayan sa kanya when it comes to socializing. O baka naman kasi pinipilit mo lang yung sarili mo na sumama kasi nga inuman yung pupuntahan ng girlfriend mo. Now, if this is the case, same shit. Assess mo sarili mo kung siya ba talaga yung girl na para sa'yo. Assess mo yung sarili mo kung gusto mo ba ng isang girlfriend na lagi na nasa inuman. Sabi mo, alcoholics yung friends niya, di ba? Kasi remember, you are who you associate with. So most probably, si GF mo, sooner or later, magiging alcoholic din yan. Again, ask yourself, gusto mo ba ng ganong klaseng girlfriend? Now, if you're thinking na babaguhin ko na lang siya, total magjowa naman kami. No bro, it's never your job to fix someone else. And most probably, ganyan na talaga yung girlfriend mo bago pa maging kayo. So meaning, tanggap mo kung sino siya. Which is why I think that is the case. Kasi nga, ang sabi mo dito, yung concern mo is about your social battery. So sabi mo lang siya, sabi mo na hindi mo kayo may pagsabayan sa kanya sa night outs niya lagi. Pwede ka naman sumama, pero not every time. And I don't think that's gonna be an issue on her part naman. Now, if you still have peace of mind na nasa labas yung girlfriend mo na nakipag-inuman with her alcoholic friends, then wala tayong problema dyan. Well, I hope nakatulong ako sa'yo and follow for more. And if you guys want to get my help personally, the quickest way is for you to book a one-on-one phone coaching session with me. You can do that by clicking the link in my bio if you're on TikTok. Pero kung nasa YouTube ka naman, the link is in the description box below. Peace.